I'm going to go ahead and walk everyone through how to import the package that you were given. Some of you already went ahead and imported it, which is fine. I'm just going to show you how I normally do it. There are a couple of different ways you can do it. So you see in this folder right here, I have GameJam full asset package.unity package. So if I just go ahead and drag this in, it's not going to do anything. You can import it like that somehow. But how I usually do it is I go click assets and then import package and custom package. And then it should open this. Go ahead and find your asset package that we've given you and double click on it. And then it will bring up this window with a lot of stuff. And this is everything we've prepared for this game, just to get it ready for you guys. Just don't change anything, don't click on anything, just click import. So did everyone get that imported into their package? And then you should see this folder right here called Total Game Jam Package with a bunch of stuff in here. There's components, there's prefabs, and there's scenes. So if I just go ahead and open up Level 2 Setup, it's asking me if I want to save my changes. I didn't change anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Don't Save. So here's the scene.